de alegría. Soy madrecita y es el día después del Día de Acción de Gracias. It's the day after Thanksgiving. And one of my favorite sounds is when the kids, the cousins, they all wake up together, right? And it actually gives me a minute to have my morning coffee all by myself. And as I'm enjoying the peace, and the sound of their little voices laughing and giggling, I get the very quick and crazy thought to go over there. Tell them I love them, that I'm grateful to hear their happy, smiling voices this morning. And then I remember